What is up, guys? Fire Dragon. Today we have a Pokemon boxing video, unboxing, card unboxing. So luckily, I mean this is like $9.89. It came out to $10, but pretty good. I only wanted it because of the Raichu and chance that I could get a rainbow, guys. And I never got a rainbow before. And yeah. So let's open this package. I mean, the back of here is already open. Guess some feet. Wait, let's read this part. So, catch a special Pokemon and expand your collection. You guys can read the bottom. This was the last one at Walmart, surprisingly. I was going to get a Blade Arena because you guys know how like Blades and stuff. But yeah. Alright, let's see this. Wait, is there? Oh, that's a cool background, but I'm just gonna get the short now. Sorry about that, guys. I don't have a camera yet. Hey guys, from the side of it looks freaking awesome. Alright, so let's take it. Oops. That's it. Raichu. It's kind of cool. Hold on, I gotta test this piece. Oh, so that looks legit. Hold up. Let me pause the video if I can take a look at it. Okay, I was trying to turn it. Like, cause if you see right here, the feet looks kind of cool. So I'm just gonna like pause the. No, I'm gonna try to get. Okay, so I'm trying to get the thumbnail. Okay, so you can put it like that, and that's freaking awesome, guys. Look at that. Can we just spend another minute on this, guys? Next time I want to have music in the background and show. Like, I want to do a stop motion with this, guys. Start collecting more of these type of stuff. But I don't know what these stuff are called. But it's pretty freaking awesome. But I don't know if my intro is going to take it all, so. Look at the back of that, guys. They got the back of the Raichu. Alright, it's been 3. Alright guys, it's time to open the pack. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go with electricity. I think it's fighting. Alright, the weakness of electricity. I don't think I saw anything good. We'll pull a friend ball, that thing. Thortic. Oh! Oh, snap, guys. My hand slipped, but a new Pokemon GX. Oh, snap. That's pretty freaking awesome. Alright. That's pretty nice. Look at that. Oh, crap. Huh. Pretty cool. Alright, now let's see. Will this give us some pack magic? Let's go with Dark. Oh, crap. I don't think we got anything good. Fighting again. And the rare is this. Oh, we got one GX, that's all. So, thanks for watching, guys, and peace.